As a medical professional, I get asked quite a lot about how do you maintain healthy hair, healthy skin and healthy nails. Now this is a concept that is very difficult for a lot of people to understand, but one factor that is integral with regards to that is collagen. Now collagen actually is a scaffolding protein that helps with regards to your joints, your nails, your bones and all connective tissue. And some people see it in the form of fine lines, dull marks, their skin actually loses its turgor. So those can be signs that you would realize that the amount of collagen is decreasing. Now you might ask, what are the types of collagen that are there in the market? You have the bovine collagen, you have the swine collagen, and now the new alternative is the biomarine collagen. Now it is derived from a natural source such as seaweed. It is cleaner, more sustainable. But what's the best part? Why is it preferred? Because it has a higher bioavailability. What is bioavailability? It is absorbed better, it is utilized in your body better, which is why recent data suggests that that is the better alternative. Another very important aspect that you need to consider when you choose your collagen, you need to make sure that you are having collagen with vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, as well as biotin. Why? Because vitamin C will help in producing natural collagen and biotin will help enhance the absorption of the collagen. Therefore, it is very, very essential that you have 2.5 grams of collagen a day. With these three nutrients, that is biomarine collagen, biotin, vitamin C, and if you can get this collagen in a sugar-free form, this is going to help you with your inner and outer wellness. Now, results can vary, but if you are going to be consistent, you will see a change for sure.